Scatta and Joe Bogdanovich. Me know no make no money for Sunfest 2026 because it was a success. But in a real life, there could have still be more value for money for the patrons them.
A few moments later.
Me people, one thing I want to make clear. You see, anybody did buy a ticket for Sunfest, Gully and Gaza, expecting, like me mean literally expecting to get the same impact that Atmat's thing
2,000 years.
Imagine pan that they show their Alkaline. Imagine pan that they show their Massacre. Imagine pan that they show their Popcorn.
One eternity later.
I'm gonna clash song them after each other on the same stage and no vibes no back eye. Me can see that something I go in different direction, you know. Why oh boy. Skippa, me hope so you not put it to that level there.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, how are the latest news them lock?
One, I don't know, one Media Fox pony up, you know. Yeah, man, so JP goes run out people, you understand? You call out Sunfest, you don't know Joe and Scatta, you see me? But we're going to video and making a ear, we're going.
Scatta and Joe Bogdanovich. Me know no make no money for Sunfest 2026 because it was a success. But in a real life, there could have still be more value for money for the patrons them. Number one, Vice Cartel and Mavado was the highlight of the night. And they saw everything this span. Fine. Everybody get with them pay for the right this up. Everybody get with them pay for the right this up. Nothing this on a shot. What you pay for this you get. But tell you what, if a man could have went stay in yard and just left and reach at the venue 15 minutes before Mavado and Vice Cartel part start, then who nobody take in the rest of Sunfest? Then who nobody do it? Enough people that go arrive at Sunfest when Mavado and Vice Cartel go up on the stage. Uno falter in the lineup before uno get to the main event of the night. Uno could have went a little better with the main event of the night, leading up to Mavado and Vice Cartel session. So even though uno make no money, because people knew that they had to be there, and then they are going early same because people were front of the space want.
Yeah, man, a real thing, man. That line up there. If you go have the Gully and Gaza thing, the line up, the leading up, bro, it didn't even make no sense, brother. You better, the people them they come and all the vibes, and you tell them, say, yo, Gully and Gaza thing I start whatever time. I make them wait than for. It don't even make no sense. You could have booked other artists and enough young artists where, yeah, but it's just one of them thing there, I guess, you know. Them say, yo, them not put too much, you see me, because this is one of them original spots, so them not put too much in it like that, you see me, for book now, artists and certain things, you see it?
A good viewing spot and all of that. But remember me tell you, uno line up leading up to Mavado and Vice Cartel part of the show, it was lame leading up to that. If people could have went down them yard and just forward back when Mavado and Vice Cartel come on the stage, that's what they would have done. Joe Bogdanovich and Scatta would have to work on the party. There is a lot of entertainer who could have kept that momentum go right up there. Go right up there. Remember when me tell you that. And another thing again, Joe, stop this young artist them. Because I can tell you this right now, Joe. Skippa, where you this right now is one of the artists them right now. Malie than them. I mean, I ask Christ if you did have Skippa on the show. Malie than them Popcorn, them what them call them look one again, them Valiant, some what.
Bro, Joe, them not go pay Popcorn that amount of money the Popcorn a charge me, G. You understand? And a joke money. You see it? Yeah, Valiant and them artists say you can't go on. You see me? But as I say, just feel like a some low budget thing them did there, you see me?
More artists leading up. Let me tell you something, Joe. You would have a show where people that does anything you charge fee, them pay. But really and truly, people only pay the money for Mavado and Vice Cartel. Joe, we no F up on the lineup leading up to the main event. We no make no money, yes, but separate and apart from Vice Cartel and Mavado session, the people them never get the true value for them money at Sunfest 2026. Believe when me tell you that. The people, And one thing I want to make clear. You see, anybody did buy a ticket for Sunfest, Gully and Gaza, expecting, like me mean literally expecting to get the same impact that Ahmad Sting, that would have to be somebody who never did understand what was going on in the time when Sting Clash won, who only grew up hearing about how impactful Mavado and Vybz Kartel clash was, and listening back the mix them and hear the war and I expect said why is a face off of a one. Me make it clear that the impact was not the same. And obviously that's why I say it would have hard to expect the impact to be the same because years go by, the man them more mature, the man them more richer, the man them ego kind of calm down, the man them not really approve against them one that who bother and who no bother at the moment. But at the same time, it's a big money move. You see me? So, for the younger generation, alright, if I was supposed to get a younger generation person who was around when the clash had gone but never understand it, they weren't old enough, and say it was disappointing, that would have been because of all the hype that them hear over the years about this clash.
And the thing is that, you know, this wasn't about music alone. People lose them life in the gully and Gaza thing. Man get shoot up off a bag of thing going. Yeah, that's how we not understand, say, bro. The thing we cartel them to go is just something where it good and bad for them career. You understand? If you know, say, yo, people lose them life and you see me, maybe people they around them and certain little things. You see me? But them they have to say you're rake or make some money. All of them little thing there. You see me? But at the end of the day, bro, each to his own. You see it? Yeah, Sunfest going with that thing, man. You see me? Go on with that thing. We know say we're not gonna expect that type of energy there when them do that rake. Cause that is serious. A war, the man them do actually a war. And we not talk on stage alone. In the streets. So I know not normal people.
And then them go get something different. Furthermore, them not get a live bands clash. Where it kind of should have been live bands. You see, that was a little bit of a knock with Sunfest. Me don't expect live bands. To the anticipation and the build-up and the promotion and the marketing of Sunfest with the Gully Gaza, me don't expect a live bands. However, the show was still a success. As me say, the impact was different and the impact did have to be different. Nobody couldn't. That's why I would know say somebody go bias if them come and say, boy, yo, me no miss nothing from what it go on the last time to the last time. No, the impact did have to be different. If you say the impact was the same, you're lying. Because back then, the man them in a real war, the man them grimy emotions are fly. Man a grimy this a go on. You have fans and fans a face off. Be a madness a go on. It was not that kind of energy this time around. You see, but entertainment wise, it's great. It's great. Whether I didn't like Cartel, don't like Cartel, rate Cartel or don't rate Cartel. For me, come here so and say, this wasn't great. Or the performance wasn't entertaining all the way through. But then I tell a lie. And for a man who don't like Mavado or whether them like Mavado or what, or if you say Mavado didn't put on a great show and his performance wasn't on par up there, I would have be a joke. And any man who can watch Sunfest, the Gully Gaza thing, and pick out of that and talk about say, yo, Cartel that step ahead of Mavado in this, or Mavado that step ahead of Cartel. It says a lot about them.
A real thing, man. And the thing is that, you know, I feel like the two artists, them, it's like them career didn't need each other. To be honest. You see, Cartel know Mavado song and tell him, say, yo, so you go. You understand? Each other, yo, trust me, the two of them, good for each other, people, may I tell you. And over the years, them career motivate each other career. You understand? Because I remember after Cartel left the alliance, you know. Saying and Beanie and Bone. Beanie and him a link with Bounty and bag of thing, you know. Remember say him start fire some shot over alliance musically. You understand? And then when they look Mavado at defend the camp now, you know, so comes it go, you know. Big clash go on stage, you know. But it was a serious thing. Gangster, bad man thing. Man dead. Car get shoot up, everything. So it was a serious thing. It wasn't about music alone, and that's the problem. That's why when me hear them attack and I say, yo, them young artists have to Ray and this, bro. Sometimes we see certain things, you better we just leave it, me G. No, nowadays, when you see enough of them money a clash, a badness, certain little things, brother. We don't want the artists them go down them road, them G. It even more worse now. Enough of them young youth are get access to gun and all of them little things there, so. Brother, a bag of thing, I tell you that.
Cause let me tell you this. When I watched that performance at Gully Gaza Sunfest, what me see is that dancehall no have to be personal. Dancehall no have to be personal. There can be clash, artists can clash, and still not take it personal, where them literally want to take them one in their life. Look at that. It is a good showcase.
J Progress. If, let me tell you something. If, what you say, did true with the Gully and Gaza thing, we would not talk about it today. You understand? Don't take it personal, don't do this. Man lose them life. There's no turning back, my G. You understand? There's no turning back. You see me?
Yes, if you make artists know say, yeah. If a music we do, a music we do. We can clash, we can this one, we can say be a thing. And go up on stage and go play it out and make with money and go yard. That was one of the takeaway from it. You get me idea with? It's also another takeaway from it as well. That even if you are the greatest rivalry, you can come together and share a stage for the benefit of the people and for the benefit of dancehall. You see me idea with? So, all in all, me have to thank Mavado. And why me thank Mavado? We all know say Joe Bogdanovich them and Scatta them a Vice Cartel link. And them deal with Freedom Street, and them deal with Vice Cartel deal with Freedom Street, and them deal with Sunfest when Vice Cartel when them a crown him king and all of these things. And so Mavado had to be a main player if he agree if he make such a greatness out of the show. Yeah. That's why me telling you say we have to thank Mavado. If Mavado decides to not take the show, there is no way on earth you could have had a Sunfest like this one. Believe when me tell you that.
Yeah, man, everything planned in advance, man. Even the same Switzerland. Yeah, man. Them have it. You see, look at now. Move and cartel them and do them thing, collect them money and all of them little thing there, you know? But for those benefit of it, you see it? Bygones be bygones.
So many people, without any little vibes to it, man. This is a great look for dancehall. It not have nothing to do with who artists rate from who artists no rate. Let me tell some man something. I dance on the blog. Me start blog for artists long time. If you no blind, you know we see that. I dance on the blog. Anything we happen in a dance hall, it will get a review. If it good, it good. If it not good, it not good. Care zero whoever them want feel round here. Member good, but me can't go round it. All if me did want to be biased. If I did come out here and decide to me I'm going to be biased today after Sunfest, it wouldn't work out. That Sunfest was a success. Entertainment, dancehall energy, everything was on par. I can't put not a fault to it. Believe when me tell you that. Me tell you say me black different and I'm going to show you now. Last night show you exactly what has been holding back dancehall. Look what Mavado and Vice Cartel did at Sunfest for the culture, for dancehall, and look at the impact from dancehall supporters. Could you imagine a show where the promoter no friend none of the artists them and I spend them money and I pay the artists them what them want? And you have a Vice Cartel, a Mavado, a Beanie Man, a Massacre, a Alkaline, a Popcorn, a Valiant, a Skippa, and all these ones on that show. One single night. People.
Bro, bro, enough money that you know, my G. And a normal money that you know. Especially popcorn money, my G. Them artists have money na normal, bro. You see me? A good while now, Joe them no book Alkaline like that. Mean, book like, you know, the top 5, you know, artist thing. Yeah, good while now them not do that, so I know that would have work. You see me, enough of the artists in there Jamaica like them not too made Sunfest like that again. You understand?
Wanna tell me, what would happen for dancehall? All of the names them who out there say who better than who greater than who a king, who a prince, who a whatever, skinny them for the show too. The one of them will represent dancehall and a punch every weight and the greats them in the dancehall. Imagine a show with that. Promoter pay them money. And the artists them, nah pre no man. And just know say I work them and make them money.
Well, to me, if I that, them a go do, them have to go hike up the price there, The Sunfest ticket, the price I go up, because if you go pay them big artists, yeah, money after forward in. And a joke money. You understand? So, to look upon them thing there as well, is it? Yeah, man.
And I have a problem, because what we have some artists here say, me now go on a show because the man de pan and the man de pan. And through promoter and this man your friend and that the man a friend, he might go book this man about him now, book that the man de. And then like in a Joe Bogdanovich case them, Joe Bogdanovich, this is youth them. So him can't get some of the youth them on him show. No matter how much money he might pay them now go on him show, because him miss some of them already. You see what me I deal with? Imagine a show like that, no man. Imagine that. And that a whole back dancehall. Some of the promoters them we are friend out the thing. Some artists will not perform with another artist, and some artists will have up this artist and have up that the artist there. Imagine if that show for the greats there was just about dancehall. And the artists then get their money and got them show and perform and them fans buy them ticket and got the show. And that me take from last night. Remember, you know, when Mavado and Vybz Kartel was rivalry, real rivalry, you know. The uncle place to catch them as sting, really. Every other show, when a man dey on the show, the other man not dey on the show too tough. Look what happened when the two of them joined forces and they on one stage, share one stage, on one set. Imagine pan that they show their Alkaline. Imagine pan that they show their Massacre. Imagine pan that they show their Popcorn. Imagine pan that they show their Skilly. Imagine if Skippa when did it. Imagine if Valiant when did it. And we could have go on and on and imagine if Beanie Man and Bounty Killer when they on the show.
Brother, boy, J Progress, you know, understanding on me, G. The man, them, yo, at that time, enough money that, you know, bro. You understand? Book so much artists. No, me, G, the artist price them different right now, bro. Joe, them now go pay a bag of artists, no bag of money. You understand? Yeah, so them have, you don't know, them have sponsorship, so them have try for, you know, burn down the calories, see them, yeah. Is it so? Just one of them thing the people. Is it?
And this so dancehall a hold on. So it no matter who no want to say I go revive back dancehall. You see if we can bridge the gap there. Remember me tell you say dancehall will forever. They in a stall mood. Believe me when me tell you that. Because as long as you go have artists and do with this and do that, promoter do this and do that. And that a hold on the culture. Believe when me tell you that.
J Progress, you have to remember say music run dancehall. You understand? Another shows alone, because if you artist them not understand for people them sing to the crowd, them are gonna just flap. You understand? So the artists them where you know Sunfest now book them because you know for them high price popcorn. You understand? Maybe Alkaline, you see it. But to me, that goes the Gully and Gaza thing there, it was just a Gaza and Gully thing. You understand? And most of the artists in my book a Gaza is Asian Wells. Asian, Sean Storm, Shana Controller. You understand? Enough of the, you know, and the other rest, you know, Joe them would know them and thing. So, we're gonna see what go on there, so. Is it because right now, a war if we take over here now, people.
People, the Malie and the Skippa clash. You know, that clash I kind of have me little worried. Because, you know, me can see that something you play out in a real life. It actually play out in a real life already. Because we see what go on with Skippa and Malie saying Papa have Skippa train them beats, Skippa and so, that's something you can get grimy, you know. And the fact that Squash mother get brawling this and and Squash get this and baiting, guys. Me a beg you artists them. You keep it musical, no man. You go and go use Vybz Kartel and Mavado show last night and understand say you can still clash and still war and still perform on the same stage. And even perform you clash song them after each other on the same stage and no vibes no back of it. Me can see that something are going different direction, you know. Why oh boy. Skipper, me hope so you don't put it to that level there. Me hope say you don't put it to the level there. Malie Dan. Me know say every man want to prove them badness. Every man have money. And every man want to prove them strength. Every man have them bad man link money make you make link. But boy, me a beg you no, please. Me a beg you no, please. Don't make that suck me a reach one different level where people
Look like them want things something like the Gully and the Gaza thing. Man, I know them young youth, man, them not depend on clashing thing, me G. Some joke thing, you understand? Cause rather than just do the simplest set of things, them is like, man, them too emotional, yeah, dog. Badness and them little thing, them G. If a badness a thing, they go on out there, so. You see me? Yeah, I just saw it said people. Skippa and Malie Dan, them have to know what them are do still, you see me? Cause I can't cast them, is it?
were actually dead. Because the one ya look serious before so. Uno done the musical war there from Yasso. Because me can see that something ya play out grimy in the street. Because some kind of disrespect go on when now can take back. Some kind of old wound gets story up. Boy. Me kind of take time I feel like the clash I know and clash I want to see. Because the clash I go play out in the street. And to the level of griminess, people may lose them life. Believe when me tell you that.
Yeah, man, people. Malie Dan and Skippa, them have to just know what them are, you see me? Them young, them have to just understand the business and not try to mash up them brand, you see me? So, I gotta see what going on, people. You see it? But big up on yourself, you don't know how one media facts pan you up. That is it.